Welcome to Jotform, how to automatically pass form data to another form. Now in this demo, we have created form number 1 and we have cloned it and created form number 2. What we're gonna do is when someone fills form number 1, it's gonna pass over to form number 2. Now, if you need more information and guidance on how to accomplish this, there will be a link in the top of this video and more information in the description. Now let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. Let's go into settings, go to emails, work with the autoresponder, and we're going to insert a link that is going to tell it to pass the data from form 1 to form 2. Let's insert it. Let's paste it right here. Now in this case, I have created this link, but I will be telling you how it's actually structured. Let's click OK. Let's save it. Next, let's go into the thank you page. Then we're going to select redirect to an external link after submission. Let's paste the same link. And now it's saved. Now, how is this link actually structured? First, we're going to see a URL right here. This one is from the form number 2. Where are we going to get this? We're going to head on over to form number 2, go into publish section, and here is the link that we just used. Okay, let's go back to form number 1. Next, we are telling it that the name is going to be passed over to form number 2. These fields may vary depending on the form, from form 1 and form 2. I will be showing you how this is actually structured and where you can find these fields so you don't make any mistakes. Let's test this one right here. It's going to pass over the first name and last name to the form that we've just created. So let's go over to this form. Okay, let's go ahead and test it by going over to it. Okay, here's form number 1. Let's fill out our name. And since we haven't told it about these fields right here to pass over, we're going to work with the name right now. We will be working with these in a bit. Let's click submit. And now we have passed over the name to form number 2. So you can see it's copied automatically. Now let's work with these other fields so you can accomplish the same with your own form. Let's head on over to form number 1. And we're going to add the next fields that we want to pass over. Now, where do we find the name of these fields? We can find them in the builder. If you select one of the areas that you want to work with, for example, contact area, let's click on properties. Let's go over to advanced, scroll down, field details, and here is the unique name. Let's actually copy this one so we'll work with it. Now let's head on over to settings, email, the autoresponder where we added this link, and let's add the next field. Let's type the ampersand key. Now next we're going to add the field name, and we're going to click equal, curly bracket. We're going to add the next field from the other form. Now be aware, the field name inside of the curly bracket corresponds to the form number 2 or the form that you want to pass the information to. This can vary if the form is different. For example, in this case, we cloned it, so it's going to be the same name. Now, if we want to add the next field, again, let's add the ampersand key right here. And the next field would be this one. So let's pass over all the information. And let's hit equal, curly bracket. Okay, and let's click the ampersand key again. Next field is email equals curly bracket, email, and curly bracket. Okay, let's copy this and insert the link again. Let's insert it, click OK, let's save it, and let's update the link also on the thank you page for the redirect URL. Let's paste it, and let's go ahead and test this form. So let's head on over to the link again. Okay, and let's go ahead and fill out this information. Let's select different things so you can see that it actually works. And let's put a makeup email right here. And let's submit. Here's form number 2 with all the information passed over. And that is how you automatically pass form data to another form. Thank you for watching. This is Jotform.